Here is the how-to video for the Bailey's Thanksgiving Choice Board. Feel free to skip to parts of the video you need. This is both teacher and student friendly. Part 1, Draw Your Plate. Here is Draw Your Plate. Let's listen to the directions.
Every family has different food traditions for Thanksgiving. Draw the foods you find on your plate at your family Thanksgiving dinner.
So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to come over to the paintbrush. And once I click on the paintbrush, I'm going to choose a color for, let's say, some turkey. That's something me and my family has during Thanksgiving. So I'm going to draw some turkey. Again, just trying my best. If I come to the paint can and then fill it in, oh no, I made a mistake. That's no problem. I can click on this back arrow and that will help make my mistake. Looks like I just have to fill it in with some spray can. Another thing that my family and I eat are green beans. So I'm going to draw some lines and they just represent green beans. Draw whatever you and your family eat during Thanksgiving and have fun with it. When you're done, share with a classmate or your teacher. One other thing I'm going to add is I drink some Diet Coke on Thanksgiving. So that's what this black drink stands for. Part 2, Turkey Color by Number. If you're using the iPad, we're going through the Clever app and logging in with Google. You're then going to look for the hand that's colorful and it says Wixie. Here is the color by number. I already started it. You're going to be using the paint can brush and each number on the turkey stands for a color. So right now, red is with the number 2. Oh, I made a mistake again. I accidentally colored in that part. I'm just going to click my back arrow and that will go back to what it was before. There we go. Next color would be brown, and we're looking for the number 3 when it comes for brown. So all the number 3s on this turkey, I'm going to shade in the color brown using that paint can. When you're finished, you can share with your classmates or your teacher. Part 3, Living or Non-Living. Living or non-living. This is a click and drag. At the bottom are some pictures during
Drag the images to the correct box.
So we're going to drag our images to the correct box. If I click on a picture, you can see it is able to move. That's what drag means. I clicked on this pilgrim, and if it's a human, that must be living. Well, what about the hat on his head? I'm going to click and drag it to living. No, it's a non-living item. When you're all done, share with a classmate or a friend. Part 4, Short A. Let's listen to the directions for Short A.
Drag words that use the short I sound into the wings of the turkey.
So we're going to focus on the short A sound, which is ah. I'm going to take all these words across the turkey and put them in the leaves and his feathers if it has that ah sound. I'm going to go through each one and sound it out to myself. Let's click on 1 to start. T, ah, tap. That has that short A sound, so I'm going to put it in one of his feathers. Let's try another. It, pit. No, that doesn't have the ah sound I'm looking for. At, mat. That has that short A sound, so I'm going to put it in a feather. When you're finished, show your teacher. Part 5, Survey. Let's listen to the directions for the survey.
Survey your classmates. Add a tally mark to show where they will celebrate the Thanksgiving holiday this year.
You can do this activity with friends at your table or your whole class. The question is, this year, will you celebrate Thanksgiving at home or travel to another place? And traveling could be down the street to your grandparents' house or to your aunts and uncles. You're going to use the paintbrush to mark your tally marks. So, for example, I'll use myself. I am going to be traveling up to Pennsylvania for my parents' house. So I'm going to click on my paintbrush. I'm going to choose orange since that goes with the theme of Thanksgiving. And I'm going to put one tally mark or one line next to the word travel. That means I have one vote or one person saying for travel. And let's say I asked another teacher and they said they're also traveling. I'm going to mark a second tally mark or a second line. So let's take a look at my survey. I have 0 people staying at home, so that's the total is 0. But for traveling, my total is 2. Try with your table group and then maybe try with your whole class. I wonder what the totals will be. Part 6, Thankful For. On this activity, you're going to be sharing. Let's listen to the directions.
Add stickers to the cornucopia to show things you are thankful for and write them in a list.
So you're going to be adding stickers or pictures, that's what they're called in Wixie, for what you're thankful for. At the top here is a little button that says plus, and you have 3 choices, text, image, or video. We're going to click on image. You can see that the first choice is stickers, and they are in alphabetical order. If you want to search through the alphabetical order, you can, or you can go to the search bar. I'm going to start typing family. Family starts with F, so I'm going to put an F, and let's see what comes up in my search bar when I just look for F. Not the pictures I'm looking for. So let's start to sound it out. Fam. Let's see if I put that. Search. Still not enough. I have to do the whole word. If you're not sure how to type it, you can ask your teacher to help you to spell. And as you can see, there are many different choices for adding in stickers. So choose which ones best fit your needs. I have 2 brothers, so I'm going to choose one of these for my younger brother. Kind of looks like him with the brown hair. Let's choose him. If I click on the sticker I would like, it comes up to our picture. I'm going to make it a little smaller, and you can say I can click and drag it to where I want to go. If I want to add a second image, I just go back to that plus add button and click image again. This time I need a second one. So instead of trying family, I'm going to write the word boy. And again, lots of different stickers or pictures to choose from. I'm going to take a look here for which one goes with my other brother. Let's use this one. Again, I could resize it, click and drag it, and then I would continue adding to things that I am thankful for. You can always go back and rewatch the directions.